Unfortunately, we begin this half hour with grim news to share. It is the deadliest single day of the COVID-19 pandemic in Utah, with the Department of Health reporting that 18 more residents have died from the virus. That brings our death toll to 756 now. Today, Governor Gary Herbert addressed our battle against the coronavirus in his monthly news conference.
Right now, our positivity rates are through the roof at about 24%. That's way too high. Our hospitals are being overwhelmed now with more and more demand for ICU units.
The governor calls it a sad commentary that the state currently has just 45 empty ICU beds. He says he will extend the statewide mask mandate beyond Monday, but he will allow gatherings of more than just members of the same household, with many believing that the governor is not doing enough and many others protesting that he's doing too much. He's in the ultimate no-win situation as cases continue to surge 10 days into his emergency order.
We can look around the country and we find that nobody seems to have an explanation for it. We've tried a variety of different approaches, none of which seems to be working. We've had the approaches of do nothing, like in South Dakota, which some have pointed to as that we ought to be more like South Dakota. They're the number 3 highest death rate in the world now. Their infection rates are through the roof. North Dakota's number 1 in the world. So that's probably not the best model to follow. New York has low case counts now, but they've had a high death rate in advance of that. When their death rate is about 170 per 100,000 and ours is less than 20, I'm saying, well, maybe we're on the right side of this issue as we've tried to navigate to maintain everything we can do to protect people's health, but at the same time keep the economy open. And we're one of the best performing economies in America today. So on balance, we've done a pretty good job.
This afternoon, the governor took part in a nationwide conference call with President-elect Joe Biden about fighting the pandemic.
I hope that he will still continue to let states conduct their own declarations and make their own recommendations to the public and our own mandates rather than a national mandate. I don't think he's going to go that direction. I hope not.
Governor Herbert said he also expected to hear from the president-elect about federal funding for Utah businesses and individuals to bridge the gap between the pandemic and what he calls the recovery of 2021.